Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a request smuggling lab in Portsbigger's Web Security Academy. It is exploiting HTTP request smuggling to deliver reflected XSS. Front end doesn't support chunked encoding, so it'll be a CLTE. Reflected XSS via the user agent header. Okay, so we just need the victim to alert to solve this. Every few posts, so we might need to do it a few times, same as the last one. All right, let's take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would be very happy with that. So it said it's in the user agent. Let's start proxying this stuff and view page source. Let's see if we can see any I don't see any JavaScript that looks promising there. Let's view a post. And I'm just looking for like any extra links, anything like that. View page source. So lab header, S, boom, 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 boom. I don't see anything. Oh, wait, right there. User agent. Sweet. All right. So did we, let's see, proxy, HTTP history, this one, send to repeater. All right, let's send it and make sure, let's send like blah as the user agent. Scroll down and right there. So if we send a double quote and then a end, so let's do blah double quote boom. And then should we do like script? Script console.log double quote XSS. Not very creative right now. Script. Okay, let's try that. And block script console, that looks good. Let's view show request in browser. Inspect console. There we go. Sweet. So that'll be how we get the XSS. Now we need to figure out how to do the request smuggling. So it's in the user agent. What happens when there's two user agents, I wonder? Let's go to our notes and look up this guy, which we turn to a lot. Except for, I want to make some changes, of course. Let's paste this. Okay. We're going to leave host and get. We'll delete. Oh, we don't want to delete the user agent just yet. We'll delete all of this all the way down to here. And we're going to delete this one. We're going to leave content encoding and chunked. We'll delete this. We want this to be post question mark post ID equals 1. We want this to have the user agent. And then, so here's my question. So with that in mind, we should be able to just do that. And we don't want this. Okay. Oh, we need a post. All right. Post to homepage. Smuggle this request. Do we want the next request to attach here in the headers? But that would mean that most likely there will be duplicate user agents. So probably not. We probably want boom x equals and then whatever will be. But we might get an issue here because the get has a body. Huh. I don't know the answer, but let's try it. Oh, but our payload is just a okay, so send a repeater. And our payload, which is the console log, shouldn't solve this lab. Which is good. Create tab RS. We're gonna do it with both. We're gonna use this light blue this time. And let's send them both, right? Everything else looks good. 2. It says, oh, whoops. Ha. This is what I meant. So we need to send this one. Send current tab. Okay. And let's look to see. Okay, so this is not, this doesn't have the form. Oh, it does. Hey, that did work. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, so let's test this out on ourselves. Let's go to the home page, request, get ready. And then we're going to just send this one and just request this one. Inspect. And look, we got post 1 and we got the XSS. Awesome. All right, so that'll be our script. What do we call this? Deliver reflected XSS. Vim deliver reflected XSS.py. We are going to start with the template. Let's close this and we'll leave requests there. We'll delete these. We'll do from utils import request smuggling, right? We'll delete this. And then, just because I always do this, let's we want something like this. What was the last one we did? Example confirming. No. Capture other users' requests. Was it that one? I forgot what we did last. Doesn't matter. Let's just do this. So, post ID is not a bad idea. And then we don't need that stuff. We don't need that. We don't need that. We do need the body. We do need this and this. We need quest smuggling send request. And then we need the no, we don't want the chaser, right? We want that one. The chaser is going to be them. So we can do blog is solved after, but we may need to send this multiple times, just like we did in the last one. So I might as well just copy all of this. And that's after the RT. So we can, except for we don't want this. And we don't. How are we going to break? How are we going to know if it was successful? I guess we'll do this blog.isSolved if blog.isSolved break, and if counter equals, we'll go to 4. Okay, so we need import RE, and then we need to change the body to this post header. We don't need that. We need this comment, but remember we got to change the payload. X and DT that. Let's do post ID here, and we're going to change this to alert. We could do, I like this better, payload equals, and then we'll do single quote script alert got him. Oh, double got him. Like that. And then we'll put the payload here. Sweet. All that looks good. And so let's just do, well, nah. We got blog is solved there. I don't know. It's an interesting one. Because our chaser, we don't need a chaser on this one. We need this. Copy. Python deliver -d, and then we'll do that. All right, let's send it. Let's do it. Right? Everything else looks good. Payload, yeah. Hey, we got it first try. That's awesome. Boom, yeah. What else is there to do? We got it. Sweet. So just to recap, we did a request smuggling, and well, we found the XSS first, which was in the user agent on the post in the forum. We don't see it here, but the forum reflected that the value of the user agent. So we built this to close out that input box, add a script tag with our script payload, and then smuggled that so that the next request that came in would be attached here, and it would be a get with the payload in the user agent, so the XSS would be triggered by the victim. And that's it. That's how we turned reflected into, a valid, I guess, exploit. Pretty awesome. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.